Hi, hello everyone. This is my first tutorial about Sumo traffic simulation software. If you read the research paper, that you found that there have lots of software for traffic simulation, but most of them are not open source. It's not actually popular as well because you need to pay lots of uh, dollar to buy it, but you can use some like open source software which is now very popular, like Sumo traffic simulation. Actually this is now used for the most of the like autonomous vehicle simulation, or connected autonomous vehicle, or like in general vehicles scenario, or how it's behave with run with autonomous vehicle or like this, and do some experiments. So the knowledge of Sumo is very important. In this tutorial, I will show you from basic to advanced how can you create from using Sumo software, as well as using the programming language Python, or using VScode. So yeah, so I found that there have lots of tutorial, but most of them are not presented Sumo in an organized way. So yeah, this tutorial I will try to explain as much as I can as possible. And the first is, okay, let's start our work. So the first step is to you need to download a Sumo software. There have their website. So as you see that this is the download link of the Shima software, and you can see these two link. You can use it. The If first link is not work, then you can use second link. Okay, I will put all the essential links in my video description, so don't worry about that. Just follow my process. So like as I say, that you can download Sumo by their official website. So you can see, just I get in the website. From the website, you see you found their information, and they have arranged conference every year. You can find some relative document, their like product description and so on, their social media links. So from under this, you can find that the Sumo Windows download link. From this, you can download the software. So when you click there, you will get in the download option. So you see that 64-bit installer or 64-bit chip. You can either choose both of them, but yeah, I first, as a beginner, I recommend you to download this 64-bit installer with wall extra and code. Maybe you will just most of the tutorial, or if you want to learn something, if you see how can it work before start learning, then it will be much easier for us to use it, or it will makes it to increase our interest to learning the software too. So yeah, so just I click there, you can see that it will take a few minutes downloading. So yeah, after downloading, you can install the software like as usual other software, nothing special. So yeah, the second thing, the first of all, that Sumo is a like a simulation environment. Yeah, I don't show you the installation process, because I think you know that, but if you don't know, you just comment and I will show you. So I already installed it. You can see, if you install and Sumo, and you will find this type of environment. From file, you can create new windows. So yeah, so you found the lots of option, but actually this is the this is I'm saying that this is the in general interface of Sumo, but actually it is a simulation. Actually it is a simulation interface. So you cannot edit any road network or edge or junction here. Just you need to build your road networks and input your demand from other software, or it also install simultaneously when you finish the installation of Sumo. That's called net edit. So there have some other it's very popular for editing network in Sumo. So after installing the Sumo software in your in your like search option in Windows, you can search like Sumo, then right click this and open file location, and then you will see okay, sorry, from under like local file C, you will found that Eclipse. So under Eclipse you will found Sumo. So Sumo from bin, you will found that NetEdit. That is the another software. Actually, you don't need to install it. When you just install the Sumo, automatically you found the two software, NetEdit and Sumo. You can see in my start bar, and I am opening the NetEdit software. So you can see this you can just open a network for showing you. Okay, you can see that a simple network there. So yeah, so in this interface actually you can create your edge junction, and you can input your like demand. I'm saying that you want to input like car number 10 car or 20 car bus, maybe. Yeah, you can visualize them, their things, traffic signal or creating junction, everything. If you want to edit in using software, so you need to use this, the NetEdit software. And yeah, there is another way to install to create this network using Python. I'm saying that using code, Sumo code. You can using Sumo code, and you need sometimes Python. So for this you need to install Python in your desktop. So I'm saying that if you like after visiting this link, you can easily find the download option of Python. So yeah, so then you need to install VScode. Actually this is the interface to work with Python. Sorry, if you see that VScode, you also need to download it and install in a like usual. There is nothing special there for installation. And after that, actually you need to configure your Sumo interface with your command prompt. You need also configuration Python in your command prompt environment. So if you write that cmd command prompt, I'm writing it. So if you say that, because I already installed updated my Sumo information in my computer network environment system. So like if I am say Sumo, so you will say that I have installed Sumo version 1.17.0. so yeah, that's everything you can found that. So if you don't input the environment in your computer system, then if you write Sumo, then you will not, they show that it is not recognized, or you cannot found their information. So for NetEdit, you need to do some work, like for going from like this environment edit env. So from that you will found that edit variables, environmental variables. Under that you found that user variables and system variables. So yeah, in this part, just scroll down in the system variable and you see that Sumo home and Sumo path. You can change it after editing. I just add it. You can new. If you click new, then you can add it. Like give a name. It doesn't matter, and put the folder location. So as I show you that you can see the bin folder. Just click here and copy the link, and then you need to paste there, like new link, paste there, and yeah, then give a name and press OK. Then it will be, yeah, this I already did it. So you need to uh, generate two link, like the tools link and the bin link. From bin folder you found the net edit, and tools link, it will help you to connect with others analysis tools. So if it will help you to like using the command prompt, and especially for like when we using Python VScode editor for edit things. So yeah, so then it can find out, or it can simulate your work very easily. But the main reason for using the VScode is because when you're working with very large network, so it's very hard to use the net edit software because there are lots of complexity. Just you can use your programming and just uh, plan your like specific or your desired way. So yeah, as I mentioned that, yeah, so Sumo is like very easy and simple software. I know how to work in PTDB, but I found that it's very limited, especially for students and like developing country. Their lab facilities is not much higher. So yeah, that's why they have they actually that's why it makes it much complex to learn complete simulation and do some complex experiment for real world environment. Okay, so yeah, the last thing is I will show you the simulation. This is the delay. Maybe I'm making it like 100, and you can see when I just make it run there, you can see a car is going on there and going this way and this way. So yeah, so that is like a simple simulation I just showed. In later lectures I will discuss it step by step, and I also how to create complex network using both programming language and Sumo interface, and using NetEdit. So yeah, I hope that you will like my video and stay connected with me. And I have some social media link. I have some Facebook groups to discuss about traffic simulation or traffic research related question, like their publication, and found out their like suitable person, or like do some research or project and so on. So yeah, if you have time, just you can visit those Facebook groups, or I have my portfolio there, you can check it. So yeah, thank you for watching my videos, guys. Hope you see you next time.